Imagine waking up tomorrow, groggy-eyed, looking at your clock, and realizing half the day is already gone. The sun's racing across the sky, the wind's howling outside, and everything feels off. Congratulations! Earth just started spinning twice as fast. Sounds cool, right? Faster sunsets, quicker days, maybe more productivity? Well, hold on tight, because if this actually happened, our planet would turn into a high-speed disaster. Right now, Earth spins at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. If it suddenly doubled that speed to 2,000 miles per hour, everything on the planet would feel it. We wouldn't notice it immediately. The Earth wouldn't fling us off like a carnival ride. Not yet. But the effects would start stacking up fast, literally from the ground up.
When something spins faster, it creates more outward force, like when you're on a merry-go-round and feel yourself pushed outward. At double speed, that outward pull would fight against gravity. If you live near the equator, you feel about 20–25% lighter. Your 15-pound body would suddenly weigh more like 115. Sounds great for your back, terrible for your balance. Meanwhile, people near the poles would notice much. They'd still weigh about the same. Sorry, Alaska.
Next problem. Air. The atmosphere rotates along with Earth. But if the planet suddenly speeds up, the air won't catch up instantly. That means massive global winds, hurricane-level speeds everywhere. Cities would be torn apart. Oceans would form giant whirlpools. You'd basically have a planet-wide storm system that never stops spinning.
Flying would be impossible. Trees would bend, your hair gone. Forget your morning jog. You'd be lucky not to get swept off your feet walking to the fridge.
Currently, a day is 24 hours. Double the spin, and you've got 12-hour days. The sun would rise and set twice as fast, morning and night every 6 hours.
Your body's internal clock, built for a 24-hour rhythm, would panic. Sleep schedules? Gone. Crops? Confused. Animals? Totally lost. Humans would need to adapt to a world where day and night zip by before lunch. You'd wake up, go to work, and boom, it's already nighttime. Basically, every day would feel like jet lag, forever.
Earth's oceans would go wild too. The faster spin would push water toward the equator, creating massive floods around the middle of the planet. Think of entire countries underwater.
Meanwhile, areas near the poles would lose water entirely. We'd end up with a swollen water belt around the middle of Earth and two dry, frozen caps. So good news for surfers near Ecuador, bad news for everyone else.
Shorter days mean less time for the sun to heat any one spot. But overall, the temperature difference between night and day would get extreme. That means stronger storms, crazier weather patterns, and ecosystems thrown into total confusion. Migrating birds would be hopelessly lost. Farmers couldn't predict seasons. And humans? We'd probably move underground or underwater to escape the chaos.
As the climate spirals out of control, people would build underground shelters to survive endless storms and scorching heat above. Human civilization would literally hide from its own spinning planet.
Here's the real kicker. If Earth spun fast enough, about 17 times faster, gravity wouldn't hold us anymore. The centrifugal force would overpower it, and we'd literally be flung into space. So doubling the spin doesn't destroy Earth completely, but it's definitely a fast track to turning our home planet into a disaster movie.
So, what if Earth started spinning twice as fast tomorrow? Your days would be shorter, your weight would drop, and your house would probably blow away. It's a fun idea, until you realize how perfectly balanced our planet already is. Maybe slow and steady really does win the race. So, would you want faster days if it meant lighter gravity and chaos everywhere? Tell me your thoughts below. Hit that like button if you survived this spin, and subscribe for more mind-bending what-if science stories every week.